Good afternoon, traders. Welcome to the Moy Analytics Afternoon Energy Podcast going into August 10th. I'm going to start off with the natural gas. Okay, we turned bullish on Friday. We've been bearish since $8.20.8. And then more recently, on the 1st, we held exhaustion with a 339.60 high and rolled over 780 ticks. We had a number of other bearish calls in here. I said to get long on a decent penetration above 266.70. Bear with me a minute. And so we saw a decent penetration in here, and then we pulled back and chopped around a little bit. Decent failure back below where that line is going to come in at 266.80 to 266.90 will warn of renewed pressure. A maintained gap higher on Monday will leave a minor bullish reversal below. I would keep in mind overall also that I said that we're likely in the last stretch of this macro move down. We're not necessarily near an exhaustion level, but there is that potential there as well. Okay, in the crude oil, the break below 97.95 brought in $30.91 of pressure, a number of other bearish calls throughout, and then I put a lot of those on hold. I said the break below 77.32 brought in 308 of pressure before we broke back above where it came in at 76.87, bringing in $1.90 of strength. That was the break back above the line here. We rallied up, pulled right back to it, and bounced again. If we see a further break above 79.44 plus 1 per hour starting at 6 o'clock p.m. that Sunday, that'll warn of decent strength. Decent failure back below 76.60 minus 1 per hour starting at 6 o'clock p.m. We'll take bearish calls off hold, but I would not lean against that as a short necessarily. Decent trade below 74.93 plus 1 per hour will warn of decent pressure. A maintained gap higher will leave a minor bullish reversal below. In the RBOB, we had left a minor bullish reversal below on Thursday. I warned of pressure on the 23rd. We came off 52 cents, 0.64 from the 332.42 close. A couple other bearish calls in here. Those are all on hold. I said we were holding final possible exhaustion at 282.07 to 287.96. Excuse me, 282.07 to 279.61 with a 279.50, 75 low. And we have bounced to 301.11. Decent trade above 301.26 minus 13 per hour starting at 6 o'clock p.m. Sunday will warrant decent strength. Decent failure back below 292.05 plus 3.5 per hour will warn of decent pressure. I had also, sorry, never mind. Okay, and then in the heating oil, okay, we held exhaustion with a 367.25 low, and we bounced to 395.34, and then the trade back above 376.59 minus 20 per hour also brought in the strength warned about above here after pulling back and rallying back up. And decent trade below 387.53. Plus 753 plus 32 per hour starting at 6 o'clock p.m. will warn of decent pressure. The maintain gap higher Monday would leave a minor to medium bullish reversal below. And the Brent, we left a minor bullish reversal below on Thursday, as we did in the RBOB. The trade above 82.25 brought in strength up to 84.44. You know, also said to get long above 84.45. Sorry, 84. No, I'm sorry, we haven't broken above that yet. Decent trade above 84.66. Plus 2 per hour starting at 6 o'clock p.m. Sunday will warn of continued strength. A maintained gap lower would leave a minor bearish reversal above. Decent trade below 77.93. Minus 0.3 of a tick per hour will warn of decent pressure. In the gas oil, awarded pressure on the 23rd. We came off 175.25 from the 12:31 close. A couple other bearish calls in here. Those are all on hold. We held exhaustion at 1053.75 and have bounced to 1151. Decent failure below 1125.50. Plus 114 per hour starting at 6 o'clock p.m. Sunday. We warned of decent pressure. A further break below 1076.16 plus 32 per hour will also warn of decent pressure. The maintain gap higher will leave a minor to medium bullish reversal below. And the cadence going into Monday is the RBOB is the strongest, the heating oil the weakest by just a hair, and the crude oil in the middle relative to one another. I would also note that the RBOB crack left a minor bullish reversal below on Friday, which warns of higher trade for days and a possible run for these highs up in here at 53.93 to 53.72. However, a maintain gap lower on Monday will leave a minor bullish reversal, a minor bearish reversal above, which will likely bring in pressure back down to 42 even minus. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next podcast.